Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to get free shipping on TikTok shop. So when you open TikTok and go to basically a TikTok shop, type the product you're interested in, and once the results load, you should tap the filter icon. Usually it's located at the top of the screen. Then scroll down to the section shipping, and you want to select free shipping under the shipping options. Of course, tap apply to filter the results and browse through the products that now all offer free shipping. And basically make an order and you will have free shipping on TikTok shop. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.